Today, the Istana is open to the public in celebration of the Labor Day public holiday. The four young explorers, Priya, Zulkifli, Zinkai and Julaila, who come all the way from Yishun to visit the Istana, have a surprise encounter with the President, Madam Halimah Yacob. Join them in their first adventure at the Istana!
Joe, I've got a question for you. Why did the hummingbird hum?
I don't know.
Because it didn't know the words.
My teacher says that nothing worth doing comes easy, so I guess this must be really worth doing.
Okay, everyone, follow me.
Joe,
okay?
do you want the last chip? Wait, has anyone seen Joe?
There she is!
Joe, wait for us.
You'll want to be careful with that one, my dear. It's a nutmeg beetle, and we don't want it going anywhere near the nutmeg tree I planted. It's growing nicely.
Madam President,
We're from Asian too, you know.
Oh, that's wonderful. I like the neighborhood very much. It's been my home for many years. I do hope you have enjoyed your visit to the Istana so far. It's a beautiful day for a walk out on the grounds. Well, I'm sorry, children, but I have to get to the open house now. Uncle John here, who is one of our volunteer gardeners, can tell you more about this wonderful garden. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Oh, hello children.
Hi, Uncle John.
We meet again. Just so you know, the tree I was tending to before your lot came charging in was a nutmeg tree planted by President Halimah herself. That's a white-bellied sea eagle, one of the man birds that live here. I dare say the fruits grown on the Istana's grounds may just be the sweetest in Singapore. Come, try some.
This is the sweetest papaya I have ever eaten.
Tell you what, why don't you take this map and have a quiet look around the grounds before going back to the open house?
Bye-bye.
yes guys, let's go. I say we start with the swan
Is
pond.
this part of the map too? Oh, it's another
this
map.
even a map?
mystery map.
Yes, I think so. Can you see that this looks like the swan pond? And this building here looks somewhat like the villa on the other map.
Help!
Ah!
Where are we?
Can I just say that we're in a highly unusual situation right now?
It's a hornbill!
Come on guys, let's head down to the ground to see what's going on. Does anyone have the mystery map? We never got a chance to study it carefully before I ended up wherever we are now. Here! Okay, so this red one here seems to be marking out this drawing of a bungalow. And if we see the regular map here, it corresponds to a building named the Villa.
Alright, next stop, our holiday villa. What kind of tree fits into your hand? A palm tree!
Good work on making it here so far, children.
Hi, Uncle John!
Swan Pond is our next stop.
At the pond, you'll want to look out for a very special feathered friend of mine who lives there.
Excuse me, Uncle John, but there must be like 100 birds that live at the pond. We cannot possibly chase after all the birds, right?
Listen out for its whew whew call. That will be your bird.
This is the best tour of the Istana ever. No one pushing us around. No queues. Swans! Wow, so pretty.
I feel like we're playing hide and seek with the bird. Say, what do you call a bunch of kids playing hide and seek with birds? Foul play, get it?
There! Follow them!
Wow, first Joe, now these birds. I'm going to pass my 1.6 km Nafa run with flying colors after today.
May I see what you've got, buddy?
I think we've left a magical tour, guys. Look, the crowd seems so solid and so
Guys,
real.
see what I have.
A nutmeg seed. Where did you find it, children? Anyway, it's yours to keep. Come on kids, it's almost the end of the open house. Don't forget to pick up your binoculars and join the bird watching tour before you leave.